Sasa
Poa.
niko na nani hapa?
Jina utaki?
Naitwa Agnes.
Agnes, nataka nifanyie drip check kiasi.
Ina shida.
So how much for your hairstyle?
The hairstyle ukiweka the labor plus the hair. The inaitwa water curls. Ukiweka the total cost pamoja in add up to 3,500 shillings.
What about the chain and the earrings?
The chain and the earrings ukiziongeza pamoja zina add up to 400.
Hakuna.
So what about the blouse?
The blouse, the shrug,
So we don't have the capacity.
it costed me 500 shillings.
What about the palazzo?
The palazzo is 2,500 shillings.
What about the slides?
The slides hii zilikuwa tu za mtumba, so 350 shillings.
Why are you lying?
What about the nails and za miguu na za mikono?
Ukiweka nails za mguu na mkono pamoja zinakuja to 1,400.
Hapa naweza athirika hata
700.
Okay, what about the pete? Nimeona umevalia pete.
This one I don't know the price.
niambie kunisikie.
It was just gifted by a friend. Yeah.
What about the watch maybe?
The watch, it's a smartwatch. It costed me 600 shillings.
Chance son.
Thank you.